Hello and welcome to Alpha English. I'm teacher Amanda. In this video, we will learn 13 common illnesses and symptoms in English. Cough. The definition of cough is to expel air from the lungs suddenly with a harsh noise, often involuntarily. Flu. The flu, also called influenza, is a respiratory infection caused by viruses. What's wrong with me, doctor? You have a sore throat. A sore throat is pain, scratchiness, or irritation of the throat. Fever. A fever is a temporary increase in your body temperature, often caused by an illness.
Oh, my head really hurts.
You have a headache. A headache is defined as a continuous pain in the head or face.
Doctor, what is wrong with me?
You have a stomachache. A stomachache is a pain in the stomach or abdominal region. Chickenpox. An infectious disease that may cause a slight fever and itchy red spots on the skin.
My tooth.
Toothache. Toothache is defined as pain in or around a tooth or teeth. Asthma. Asthma is a long-term condition that affects the airways carrying air in and out of the lungs. Ooh, ow, ooh, ooh, ow. A broken bone, also known as a fracture, is when a break goes through part or all of a bone. Allergy. An allergy is an abnormal reaction the body has to a particular food or substance. Heart attack. A heart attack is a serious condition that occurs when the supply of blood to the heart is suddenly blocked. Sinusitis. Sinusitis is inflammation of a nasal sinus, which often causes pain and/or a runny nose. Great job! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Alpha English for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.